Oh, good afternoon. This is meant to describe some mental math trickery when converting from kilograms to pounds. In a very textbook way, this is the conversion. These fractions are just reciprocals of one another. This is the conversion of kilograms to pounds. Okay, a 2.2 ratio of pounds to kilograms. Consider an 80 kilogram single or double or triple, converted into pounds. In this dimensional analysis setup, kilograms cancels out, leaving me with the only uncanceled word being pound. So this is our answer here, or the way to calculate it is 80 times 2.2. I want to talk about how to do that mentally a little bit right here. In that scaffold, you're effectively doing 80 times 2.2. Okay, that can be broken down into two calculations: 80 times 2 plus 80 times 0.2. You need, at least I do these calculations in my head and then sum their answers to get the conversion right here of kilograms to pounds. 80 times 2, 160. Okay, not going to discuss that. This is the main source of the discussion right here. 80 times 0.2. There's two ways to address how to do this mentally. 80 times 0.2. This is the way I think about it within my head. Taking 0.2 or 1/5 of any number, I'm not going to mess with that in my head visually. But visually, I can take 1/10 of any number by merely moving the decimal place one step to the right. Now, if I want to take 1/10 of a number, that is 1/2 of this right here. 0.2, 1/2 of 0.2 is 0.1. If I need to do the opposite function of this to come out with the same product. So if I take 1/2 of this and I double this number, I get 160. 160 times 0.1, I can do simply in my head by taking this decimal and moving it one step to the left and get 16. So 80 times 0.2 is 16. 160 plus 16 is 176. Talk about this little fraction here in a different way with a different problem to flow it out a bit. Today's the 23rd of September. 23 kilograms to pounds. Okay, so in my mind, in my mind, I know that kilograms, I'm going to get a higher number, and I'm going to multiply it by 2.2. So in my mind, I'm taking 23 times 2. I try to hold that number in my mind, 46. And then over here, I need to take 23 times 0.1. Right? Now, in that previous example, I talked about doubling the number. The doubling of 23 is 46. I have already held that number in my head. Moving the decimal place one to the left, 4.6, 50.6 pounds as a rough estimate. For clarity's sake, I wouldn't say I am thinking about doing this product and sum in my head, but I definitely do this step first. And then I hold that number in my head, move the decimal place over, and then add those two numbers together. I hope that helps. Thank you.